Hello, welcome to our HP11 G8EE palm rest replacement tutorial. To get started today, you'll need a few tools: a spudger, manual screwdriver, and a static mat. Step 1. Unscrew the 6 bottom cover screws. Step 2. Using your spudger, carefully pry up the palm rest, starting in one corner and working your way around the perimeter, unsnapping all the clips. Power off the unit if it happens to power on. Step 3. Peel back the black adhesive strip covering the battery connection. Step 4. Disconnect the battery cable. Step 5. Peel back the clear adhesive covering the touchpad connection. Step 6. Disconnect the touchpad ribbon. Step 7. Peel back the clear adhesive covering the keyboard connection. Step 8. Disconnect the keyboard ribbon. Step 9. Remove the palm rest. Step 10. Position the replacement palm rest. Step 11. Reconnect the keyboard ribbon. Step 12. Reapply the clear adhesive covering the keyboard connection. Step 13. Reconnect the touchpad ribbon. Step 14. Reapply the clear adhesive covering the touchpad connection. Step 15. Reconnect the battery cable. Step 16. Reapply the black adhesive covering the battery connection. Step 17. Reinstall the palm rest, making sure that it is fully snapped into place around the perimeter. Step 18. Power on the unit to verify a successful repair. Step 19. Power off the unit. Step 20. Reinstall the 6 bottom cover screws. And now your repair is complete. Thank you for watching this video today. If you have any questions or need further information, we would always love to hear from you. You can contact us directly via our website at agpartseducation.com.